Each time you go to release your iliacus and psoas muscles, you'll find that there's a different level of discomfort that correlates to your level of tightness. A tighter muscle will hurt more. It's useful to know how to change the amount of pressure to match your level of tightness. Ideally, you want to deliver pressure that's moderate but not too painful, as moderate pressure will help the muscle relax faster. More isn't always better. If the pressure is too intense, it can backfire and it can create a good reason for your brain to tighten your muscles even more. Let's walk through the different levels, starting with the least amount of pressure. The orbit is a great way to warm up and target your psoas with broad pressure. This will not release your iliacus. The orbit with your leg out to the side, with your leg behind you, on your elbows or lying flat on the ground. Windshield wiping to find a good angle. Lifting your entire leg off the ground. Progressing to the mark will allow you to target both your psoas and iliacus muscles with the most precise and effective pressure. The mark, standing with your feet even. Step 1 foot back and press your body forward. Hugging around a doorway. The mark on the ground with your leg out to the side, with your leg behind you. On your elbows or lying flat on the ground. Holding a posterior pelvic tilt. Moving your body against the tip. Windshield wiping to find a good angle. Lifting your entire leg off the ground. Raising the mark on a book. Now you will have the ability to adjust the pressure you're placing on your hip flexors for your most effective release.